My name is Rachel, and I came to IPA Physio because I sustained several traumatic injuries in 2014. I had a number of facial fractures. My jaw was so misaligned that I couldn't chew food on both sides of my mouth. I also had a traumatic brain injury, so a lot of my treatment focused on neurological, cognitive. Coming here, I felt like the treatment was trauma informed. I'm very sensitive to feeling like my body is being treated, but not me as a person, as a whole person. That's something I really appreciate about IPA Physio's approach, is that I don't feel like I'm separated from my body. I feel like a human being. And so I was able to actually participate in therapy. Immediately, I noticed huge changes. After one of my early appointments, I remember I stopped for gas on the way home. I picked up a candy bar and I started eating it. And I was like, this side of my mouth, my teeth, like I'm chewing here. And I had to kind of learn to start using that side of my mouth again to get used to doing that and change that habit. Some of the biggest impact in my life is being able to be employed again. And I'm able to spend time with my kids and be active with them. I've also come to notice that I had some really shallow beliefs about what I thought healing was, because I'd never really needed, or I didn't think I needed healing until I had these really traumatic injuries. And now when I think about healing, I'm like, healing can be painful and hard and really fulfilling and transformational.